joins us this morning, and you were back last week, and we liked you so much, you're coming back every week now.
I am delighted.
And you were eating garlic, too, so you're my man.
I did have garlic steak last night.
Man.
Give you some skin.
Yeah.
Okay. Roasted garlic steak.
What's up? All right.
The Jack Kemp. Stone.
Okay, so you brought Puff and Gizmo here.
Gizmo. Mm-hmm.
Puff is a big cat.
Oh, yeah.
He
There's
is
a lot there.
big old cat.
More bounce to the ounce.
Wow.
Now, this is a bad thing, though. Oh, he's not happy about
Ooh, sensitive there, the underbelly. Sensitive underbelly.
None of us likes to talk about our weight.
Here we are.
Okay, this is a problem, though, when pets are overweight, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's one of the most common medical conditions that we have is obesity. In fact, about 40% of all dogs and cats are overweight. But most of the owners don't realize they're overweight. They think it's cute and it's endearing and it's cushy and soft, but it presents a lot of medical problems. They really fall into 4 categories, basically. They're cardiovascular problems, blood pressure, congestive heart disease, they're locomotion problems, ruptured disc, they pull ligaments, they get hip dysplasia. And there's also cancer problems. There's a 50% increase in cancer with obese animals.
Well, then how often should we feed our pets? I feed my dog once a day, and she is still, I know Kitty is watching right now, so you can't say the F word, fat. You have to spell it. Kitty's still F-A-T.
P-H-A-T.
P-H-A-T.
Right.
I feed her once a day, and I thought depriving her of the food until once a day is good enough, but that's not working.
No. Actually, the best way to maintain an animal's weight properly is to feed many, many small meals, 5, 6, 7 meals a day.
Wow.
And to be honest, I think the free feeding program might be even, you get a hopper, and most animals will not overeat if they present it with commercially available dog food. Now, table scraps and treats and things that come to table, home-cooked meals are the biggest culprit in causing these problems with obesity.
Really?
These foods do not have the proper balance with vitamins and minerals and calcium, and they also have a taste appeal that causes the animal to just eat ravenously.
Yeah.
So,
Is it also
food for pets and people food for people.
Is it also a problem of cats maybe are more sedentary than, say, dogs? Dogs you can take for a walk? And how do you exercise a cat?
Actually, obesity is almost always caused by 2 factors. Too much food and not enough exercise. And cats tend to be more sedentary, indoor. They don't exercise at all. And so they have a tendency to gain weight more so than dogs do.
All right. What's the best way then to put your pet on a diet?
The absolute best way to feed your dog or cat would be to get a commercially available dog food, and there are different qualities in them. And I think probably once an animal gets to be 7, 8 years of age, you should switch to one of the low-calorie, low-fat, high-fiber diets. And there are various ones available. One of the absolute best is a food called RD, or reducing diet, because this food has a new breakthrough. There's a new medication called carnitine. And carnitine is included in these.
Okay,
shake it up.
You're really messing the cat up, Robin. He's going to need therapy there.
Sorry, Puff.
This food contains an actual pharmaceutical agent called carnitine that has an additional weight-reducing effect.
Is that safe?
It's safe.
It's safe.
Now, what if you don't want to pay $3 a pound, though? Let's face it, these prescription diets are expensive. I can go to the store and get something that says senior on the bag, and that's good enough?
Yes, that is fine. They're also commercially available, homemade foods for obesity.
Oh, okay.
Like garlic?
And a good, not,
We've got a big cup of
garlic for seasoning. Garlic for seasoning. What you're going to want to do is any lean meat, be it preferably lean
like
beef.
the soup.
You want to add carrots, green beans, uncreamed cottage cheese, and then a vitamin mineral supplement, ground eggshells, or you ground Tums up and add it to this homemade diet. And that is a very, very good homemade reducing diet.
Do dogs become overweight from eating cat food? Because our dog is putting on a little weight, and I think it's because he's eating Mario's cat food.
Because the formulation of the cat food does not adjust to the dog's metabolism, and so get the cat food away from your doggy.
Or you can just feed your cat Robin special garlic soup. They won't want to eat for weeks. Look at that.
Well, Puff, Gizmo, thank you so much for coming by. Dr. Morse, great to see you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good seeing you.
Thank you.
I have to get the hair off my
We'll bring them on in the
jacket.
next life. They'll be thinner next time.
All right. Okay, we'll check
Get 'em
with them.
down.
Yeah, we will.
Good.
Okay, what's coming up next?
Janita.